Since you have already clicked on this video, therefore you already know how important Instagram Reel is currently. Therefore, I'm not going to waste your time by explaining you why you should post Instagram Reels as many as you can in a day. So I'll just get started. I'm Sannidhya Baweja and this is my YouTube channel where I talk about digital marketing, personal branding and earning money online. So if you're new here and want to learn everything related to what I just said, consider subscribing. Also, if you want to connect with me on other social media channels, then you can find the link in the description below. After spending a significant amount of time for my clients making Instagram Reels, I'm able to come up with these 13 strategies which actually work. This video will be the part 1 where I'll be explaining the 6 strategies and rest of the 7 I'll be covering in the next part of the video, which is part 2. So consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so that you know whenever I post that video. So we have 6 tips to cover in today's video, which are right in front of me. So let's get started with the tip number 1. Use hashtags properly. Well, I have covered everything related to it in this particular video, so do consider watching this particular video. We are allowed to use 30 hashtags and I have explained how to resourcefully use them in this particular video. So definitely go ahead and check this video out. You would know what I'm talking about. With that, it's time for strategy number 2, which is make video on the trend. So if you are familiar with TikTok, then there were a lot of contests and challenges which were continuously running on TikTok. And if TikTok is still not banned in your country, then you already know what I'm talking about. Same challenges and contests are also run on Instagram Reels as well, or on Instagram as well. You just need to capitalize on those because algorithm tends to push that kind of content immediately, and obviously the chances of coming on featured gets higher if you start making if you start making something on the trend. Well, with that, now it's time for strategy number 3, use popular audio. Now that I'm talking about trends, and every trend has a popular audio instilled in it, and every audio has a particular feed. So basically what you would be doing is you would be improving your chances of getting featured in that particular feed as well. As you can see in front of you in the screen, this particular audio has a feed. So use those popular audios and increase your chances of getting discovered. Other than that, even if the challenge is not going on, use the popular audios, because Instagram or any algorithm, let's say even TikTok, starts pushing those particular pieces of content which they think have popular audio. And this works. This has worked for TikTok and this is currently working for Instagram Reels as well. So find out which particular audio is really popular in your region and start posting content around that audio, or use that audio in order to make content. Also, if you are liking this video, then hit or smash the like button. It would mean a lot because YouTube would know that this particular video has some value and it will start pushing it. With that, it's time for strategy number 4, change scenes frequently. So if you are competing with other videos in a scroll or in the feed, so basically when people are scrolling, you need to grab their attention as soon as possible. So within the first 3 seconds, try to use as many scenes or change of scenes as possible, because if people see that there is an abnormality, then they tend to click on that particular video and see what that abnormality is actually about. So try using it, but don't go and start using them inorganically or abruptly, they make it look unnatural. Just because Sannidhya said it, you don't need to do it. You need to maintain the natural flow, and if the scenes justify that particular transition, then only do it. Otherwise, don't do it. With that, it's time for strategy number 5, use text. Yeah, you need to use text bars. Well, there is a particular method how you can use the text bars. So whatever I'm saying, if that is accompanied by the highlight of the text, which I usually do in my YouTube video, same you need to do with the Instagram Reels. So if you are doing it, so obviously what will happen is people will give you their attention, because now they're able to read as well as listen to it. So that actually grabs the attention of that particular viewer. Moving right along to our strategy number 6, use subtitles. Well, 85% of the people watch videos on Facebook on mute, and I guess the same data would be extrapolated on Instagram as well, because Facebook owns Instagram. So you need to add subtitles in the videos where people are having a conversation. So if your reel is basically dedicated to someone having some conversation or talking about it, then you need to use subtitles, because this will give your video a boost. Other than that, if your accent is not appreciated by other people, or other people are not able to understand it, then the subtitles will help you. Also try adding them so that people are able to see those subtitles in the post as well, because when you publish the Instagram reel, everyone is able to see them majorly in their feeds. So if in the feed section it gets cropped, then people won't be able to see it. Therefore, adjust the frame accordingly so that those subtitles are visible. Well, this was all for the part 1. There are 7 more strategies which I'll discuss with you in the next video, which I feel will be up by tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So do consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so that you don't miss out on that video. And I guess by that time I would be able to discover more of those. So I would be inculcating them as well. Until next time, bye bye.